Today we are going to be playing Driving Empire. As you guys know, Driving Empire is a Roblox game. As you guys know. And I just saw this game and I am actually going to play it. Well, but I do remember that I do have some cars. Look, as you guys could see. So let's spawn one of our cars. Let's spawn this one. Oh my gosh, as you guys could see. Look at it. It's called a Dodge Charger, as you guys know. Well, yeah. Wait, what is this arrow doing? Car meats? Found. No car meats found. Create one. Create meat? Why do I have to create a meat? What? Where's the returning? Please select the location. Theme. The facts. The fact. The fact. A theme right here is good. I should like to do car meat for 5,000 normal car meat. Yes! I guess. Wait, this is a car meat. Meat created. Who wants to go to my meat? Oh. Who wants to go to the Hellcat meat? This looks fire, bro. Bro, why is there a crown on top of me? Am I the boss? Oh, yeah. I should be the boss of the car meet, huh? Yeah. What is this? Sunrise? Time set to sunrise. Yo, how could I do that? Dusk, night, dawn. Yo, that looks fire. God damn. Holy, bro. Bro, look at my car. It's a Hellcat right now. It's a Dodge Charger. I'm waiting for people. Damn. Look at my interior. Holy crap, bruh. Bro, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Watch this, you guys. Bro, there's no one, bro. That means I just spent like, pretty much a lot of money on it. Yo, look how much I'm going. Yo, over the ramp. Oh, I missed it. I missed it for real. Bruh. What? Why? Why don't I have my headlights on? I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb, bruh. Where's my car meet? I just forgot. Oh. Of course it has to be over here. Of course there's no one yet, bro. Car meets. The fact. Why is it called the fact? I can't teleport while hosting a meet. What you mean, bruh? Create meet. Wait, how much money did I put on it? I don't even know, bruh. Bruh, why is no one going to my freaking damn?